Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by DN. Today I'm going to share with you 3 easy bun tutorials all done in less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is my hair. It hasn't been washed in about 3 days. But let me tell you, your natural oils in your hair is always best when you're doing a bun. So first things first, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. What I like to do is start my bun right at the crown of my head. So right here. So you can take a comb like so and just brush it to get everything even. My left hand, I'll be holding the ponytail, and now with my right hand, I'll be taking the hair and twisting it. Once I get to the middle, I'm going to wrap it around my head, and with the left hand, I'm going to hold onto it very firmly and grab the back, continue to twist, wrap it around, grab the other hair, twist, and then I'm going to tuck the ends of my hair under. Now with my hair tie on my wrist, I will hold the hair and double knot. What I'm going to do is place the hair to my liking. You can make it bigger by pulling some hair out, like so. Now I'm going to go in with a bobby pin and pin the hairs that are sticking out. I'm going to push it in like that and tuck it under. Then I have the bobby pin here. I'm gonna go in like that and tuck it under. By tucking it under, it gives it that nice lift and that rounded look. Again, push it in and tuck it under. Now, I'm gonna just take out a few baby hairs. And now to tame my flyaways, I like to use the sculpting wax. The one that I've been using is the L'Oreal Indestructible Sculpting Wax. And this is great, it does the job. And what I do is I take my little toothbrush and I just comb all my flyaways away. I'm also going to pull out a few pieces at the top. And there you have it, a bun done in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so the next look that I will be doing for you guys will be the model off-duty bun. And this bun is very sleek. You can wear it to the grocery store, you can go to a birthday party, you can go to a wedding because it's so chic but effortless at the same time. So here we go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up your comb to the middle of your nose, and that's where your part is going to be. So I am going to part my hair right here and go all the way back. Now I'm going to take my sculpting wax and gently smooth the hair out at the top. And now we're going to go in the ponytail. And we're going to go in with our toothbrush again and smooth it out a bit. We're going to tie our hair in a ponytail. So now we're going to take our hair and roll it. right here because this piece will be sticking out, and that's gonna give it the Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid vibe, okay? Now with another hair tie, I'm gonna take that and wrap the rest of my hair down. And if you see any loose pieces other than the piece here that will be flat ironing, you can tuck it away with a few bobby pins. Okay, so now with my flat iron, I will be taking a strand, flat ironing that straight. Like so. You kind of want it to stick out. Now again, with my sculpting wax, I'm gonna take some on my fingers and put it on the ends of the pieces that are supposed to be sticking up. This will allow it not to fall. Now again, I'm gonna go in with my sculpting wax and just make sure that everything is swept away. I'm gonna take my baby hairs out here, pull it back. So you want it to be very sleek. And there you have it, the model off-duty bun. It's very easy, again, under 5 minutes. I literally put my hair in a bun, left the ends of my hair out, flat ironed it a bit, and that's it. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how I do my messy bun. So because this is a messy bun, you don't really have to go in with your fine-tooth comb. You can use your fingers. Your fingers will allow your hair to have more texture and not have it looking so perfect. All I'm gonna do is put my hair up again like this. I'm not really worried about it being perfect. It's supposed to be messy, so we're gonna make it messy. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to loop my hair once, and then I'm going to loop it one more time, and it looks like this. Doesn't look cute, but what I do is I twist it to the side like so, and then I wrap the rest of my hair like this, and with another hair tie I go in, hold it, now I'm going to take a few bobby pins. There is the zigzag side of the bobby pin and the flat side. You're always going to make sure that the zigzag side of the bobby pin is the one that is going to be on your head. So with this hand, I'm going to hold this down, and any hair that's sticking out and looks crazy, I'm going to just pin it down. So see here, just going to go in and pin that down. Now again, because it's a messy bun, I'm gonna pull out a few baby hairs. We don't want it to be perfect. And there we have it, our bird's nest. I'm just joking. And there you have it, 3 easy bun tutorials, all done in less than 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye.